Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Skrill account and integrate in Shopify. First of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that the Shopify and Skrill is downloaded to your device. Go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser. If you want, if you want to set your Skrill or set up your Skrill on Shopify, first create a Skrill account. And first and foremost, sign up for Skrill account. To locate your IPI or API credentials. Upon setting up your Skrill account, you need to obtain your API credentials, including your merchant ID and secret word. And then 3, add Skrill to your Shopify store. Navigate to the payment section on your Shopify settings. Scroll down to the third-party providers option and click to select a provider. Here you will enter or search and choose Skrill from the list of the available payment gateways. 4, input your Skrill API credentials, and after selecting Skrill, you'll be prompted to enter your API credentials, merchant ID, and secret word. Ensure these details are correctly inputted to avoid any integration issues. And lastly, activate and test the Skrill payment method. Once your API credentials are in place, activate Skrill as a payment method on your Shopify store. It's advisable to run a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.